slightly misunderstood by gravity. This is fine. This is fine. Totally flyable. Just a few bumps. Okay. Half the wings are backwards, but I can fix it with gum and spite. Leave it. We'll have Jum Jum fetch what's left. Just wait. The snack shack is still serving lollipops, right? I fly better with sugar-based revenge snacks. Then get your snack. Refuel. Because next time, we won't steal a ship. We'll steal the entire pantry. Dad blessed it, Willifreda. Can't you label your vortex custards? Where's my ship? It didn't follow. Bungledorf has it. But the tether between the worlds is weakening. We're back, and where are they?
Let me guess. Bungledorf's still flying like a busted kazoo, and Nadia's probably monologuing to her own reflection.
And if that was round one, we'd better prepare for the frosting cannons. So what now? We lure 'em again with fake fruit, giant candy trap, evil Swiss meringue buttercream that splits. No, we don't lure them at all. Huh? We don't chase them. We make them come to us. Huh? They'll have to protect it. We'll strike from the inside. You're gonna invade Big Val's pantry? The sacred snack space? It's time to take the chaos to the kitchen. This is the best tasting I've ever had. Look at this giant hunk of cheese I found on the floor. And Bungledorf still got my ship! Again! She flies like a blind raccoon with rocket boots. I give it 2 days before it's parked in a crater again.
Darling, if I have to wait one more minute to take back Chessie's ship from that pancake-splattered clown, I will spontaneously bust into rhinestones.
The ship is important, yes, but I feel a strange tug, like something else of mine is near.
Your emergency carpet lint roller? Your perfume of forgotten wishes? My bottle. Hold the fudge. You had a genie bottle?
Yes. Trapped inside for 1,000 years. Sealed in caramel glass. I escaped with great effort and a carpet tantrum. But if it still exists, it's powerful and dangerous in the wrong hands.
Well then, sugar, let's find that bottle before the wrong hands get too grabby. And while we're at it, let's lasso Chessie's spaceship back from that Looney clown circus.
Hey, Nadia Scorchfield, where it is, you collect things, lost things, dangerous things in the wrong hands. What's your price? For 400 caramel credits and your villain signature, which doesn't mean much, but I still want it. I collect them, you know. I'll tell you where the bottle of genie is. It was last seen floating in the cotton candy ring around Planet Floop. Genie's bottle? Like the one she was stuck in for 1,000 years? I know precisely where it is. Do you know how weirdly magical that thing must be? If we find the bottle, we find her tether. her past, her weakness, maybe even a way to trap her again. Pack your glitter, repellent, and licorice rope. We're heading to Floop